Good morning, guys. It's early, but I've got my coffee, and here is how we stay organized in the morning. I love seeing what other families do, their routines and tricks, because I always walk away with something new. So here are 5 tips that help me keep it together in the morning, at least most of the time, especially when you wake up early and your phone is critically low on battery. I am definitely not a morning person, so to make it easier for myself, I sleep in my workout gear. And that way, I'm ready when I go downstairs for a quick 15-minute workout. I'm going to link down below my 2 favorite and free workouts that are short. I find if the first choice I make in the morning is a good one, I tend to make better choices through the day. Because once the kids are up, game over. And I love having a written plan in the morning. It focuses my action, and I don't have to think about it. I take a couple minutes the night before to write everything down so I can hit the ground running. For me, it frees up so much mental bandwidth. This is a bullet journal I got from Walmart. Next is having a strong kids routine, something they can really easily follow the same way every day. One thing that's made it easier for us is having all of Carson's clothes in these little locker cubbies, all laid out for the week. All his clothes this year came from ThredUp, the largest online secondhand retail store. Name brands up to 90% off. And I love it because I can shop right from my phone. And I'll let him explain the routine. He does a way better job than I ever could.
Hi, this is Carson. So first I wake up in the morning. I put on my clothes, and I like the shark shirt that I put on. And then I set up my bed, and I have a lot of pillows on my bed. Then I go downstairs, I eat my breakfast, and I make it by myself. Then I brush my teeth, and I really like to use the minty toothpaste. I get my snack in my backpack, and I also have a behavior chart, and if I do something good, I level up.
You're buying today?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pizza.
Better buy lunch today. That makes it easy on me, huh?
I walk to the bus with my mom or my dad, and then I go to school.
I love you, Carson. Do good, be kind, have fun. We almost missed it. You may have noticed this drop zone on the side of our wall, and this has been a game changer. A designated spot for all of those items makes a huge difference. I love this paper file for all of the school paperwork. And this behavior chart has been awesome. My friend told me about it, and kids level up for helping out around the house, or they go down if they're not listening, and it's a huge motivator. It's the only thing we've found that's worked. To get screen time, you have to be on great job or outstanding. After Carson gets off to school, it's some me time, because you cannot draw from an empty well. I've been having really hearty breakfast, and it's been sticking with me a lot longer and helping me feel a lot better. And I've been trying to carve out some time for meditation or listening to audiobooks and podcasts in the morning, as well as having a mug of bone broth. I know it sounds crazy before 10 a.m., but it's a great mid-morning snack after I get dressed. And of course, the house is a mess, but you're worth it. That investment to take care of you translates to the rest of the day. So I quick brushed my hair, put on a little bit of lipstick, and I'm getting ready for the day. I just unboxed my brand new ThredUp stuff. Here are a couple new outfits that I got. I actually think this one might be my favorite piece. This is a $110 J. Crew shirt, and I got this for $28. It is so cute with these jeans, hey? I am a sucker for all things with pockets. This J. Crew sweater retails for 80 bucks, and I got it for just 15. This Michael Stars tank, Hollister jeans, and Zara shoes retail for $60 each. and I got all of them for less than 20 bucks each. And if you use the code DIME30 at checkout, I'll link below, you get an additional 30% off. By this point, it's about 10:30 and I get to a little bit of cleaning. I am all about scheduling in the little investments. I want to be productive, not busy. That's taking care of those things that I may have put off and scheduling in what my priorities are. These are the things that's going to make later in the day way easier. For some reason, when I watch these type of videos, maybe it's just because we're watching everybody work in fast motion, it feels like it takes so long to get all of this done. And parenting is definitely not for the faint of heart. It takes a lot of energy. But I'll have you know that all the cleaning I'm showing in this video took me just 27 minutes. It always takes less time than you think, especially once you get started. Making yourself do the first thing is half the battle. And for me, those little investments are finding ways to make my life easier, so I have time for what matters. And one of the ways I do that is by pre-made meal kits. There's expensive versions of these you can have shipped to your house, but honestly, it's like $10 a person. It's not worth it. But these meal kits are just $12 from Publix, chicken and dumplings. It comes with a crock pot liner. I do not dirty my kitchen at all. I think about it in the morning, and dinner is ready by 5:30. And if you didn't know, they also sell these meal type kits at Aldi, and they are so good and really inexpensive. These also make really great lunches. And now it's lunchtime, so I guess this morning routine is over. What did you guys take away from this video? Do we have similar morning routines? Is there something you would like to try? I'd love to know in the comments down below. I'm also gonna link ThredUp's website. The last 3 videos I've shown, all the items have been from their site. I love you guys so much. Leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Later that evening.
Messy.
So true. Charlie, what grand words would you have for the people who think that our house is always clean?
It's mostly clean.
We do our best.
Down. And it's mostly clean. Then I brush my teeth, and I really like to use the minty toothpaste.